Welcome back to the Career Compass tutorial video series. In this video we will show you how to create a module and how to create an intervention. Modules are the collection of your set of questions. Interventions are the collections of your modules and informative pages. Start at your study dashboard and open your study. First we will create a new module. Go to the modules page and create a new module. Input a name and title for the module. If you wish, you can enter a prefix which will show up in every item of your module. Note that a module's unique name will only be seen by the researcher, but the module title will be shown to the participant. Scroll down and click on Save. Now that we've created your module, we can create the content items of your module. On the right side panel, click on the Content Items bar and drag an item type to the right, where we use the number input type. This will open a page to edit the characteristics of your item. Fill in the question and set the answer characteristics. The next step is to attach the module to an intervention. To do this, go to the intervention page. Give your intervention a title and description. CC will automatically create the URL slug after you saved your intervention. Go to Content, then select your module and click on Add. In this video we showed you how to create a module and how to create an intervention. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.